Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the heavily refreshed 2021 Nissan Armada. This is the SL. Has a nice V8 under the hood. I've always loved these. This is the, well, I was going to say top of the line Nissan. That goes to the GTR. But the biggest SUV they have. Nice new Nissan badge. Total price on this one comes to $61,585. Gunmetal metallic over charcoal. 5.6 liter endurance V8, 400 horsepower, 413 pound-feet of torque with a 7-speed automatic transmission. We'll hop into the interior because that's where they spent a lot of their time, as well as the front end. Alright. Come on. There we go. Nice big center console. This is all very, very new in here. Wireless charger. So it's very, very nice. What's nice is, of course, this is sort of an off-road vehicle to say the least. So you have a front camera, which is nice for lining up in this little area to go ahead and bring it off the podiums, and you're on the way. Based on the exact same platform as the Infiniti QX80, the Armada is just a little bit cheaper, I do believe, but still packed full of luxury. Honestly, I'd have one of these over a Tahoe. That's just personal preference, which I really shouldn't be putting in these videos. Tons of torque down low. It is absolutely amazing just how much torque is in these things. Over these bumps, it's absolutely awesome. Obviously not a complete off-road focused vehicle, but Nissan understands that you're going to take this down a trail if you need to. It's very, very comfortable. Seven-speed automatic doing its thing. Once you've driven, at this point I've driven over 1,000, close to 2,000 cars, you start to appreciate some of the nicer vehicles, and I appreciate the Armada, especially this transmission. They didn't put a CVT in the thing. Mainly because it probably couldn't handle it. The torque from this motor probably would just absolutely destroy a CVT. This time I'll give it some oomph. Has such a nice sound to it too. It's a very unique sound with a lot of intake noise, which I honestly was not expecting. I'll do one extra lap just because I cut out all this section. I'll just do one of these. All in all though, this thing is awesome. I loved the previous generation Armada. Even though I think this is still part of the current generation, I don't think it was a complete refresh. I believe it's still on the same platform. Everything seems too similar to be a complete ground up refresh, so. I like this thing a lot. And for the price, what you get is pretty impressive. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.